Dear students, welcome to 7th standard CBSE geography class. Today in this class I am going to take unit number 4, air. Dear students, you already know about what is air, is it? Let's discuss more about the air on this topic. Our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air is called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air. This is the atmosphere. What the earth covered by the huge blanket. It is the atmosphere. All living beings on this earth depend on the atmosphere for their survival. All living beings, the plants, animals, and birds, human beings, everything, they depend on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects of the sun rays. The atmosphere, the blanket of the air, it protects us from the harmful sun rays and it gives us the air to breathe. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun during the day and get frozen during the night. Without the atmosphere, we would be baked alive in the daytime and will get frozen during the night time. So, it is this mass of the air that has made the temperature on the earth livable. Composition of the atmosphere. What are the composition we can see in the atmosphere? We'll see. Do you know that the air we take in while breathing is actually a mixture of many gases? Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. What are the two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere are nitrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. The pie chart gives you the percentage of the different constituents of the air. See figure 4.1, they have given the constituents of the atmosphere. Here the nitrogen having 78%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93% and all other gases having 0.04%. So, it is the pie chart of the constituent of the air in our atmosphere. Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air. Is it? It having 78%. When we inhale, we take some amount of the nitrogen into our lungs and exhale it. While breathing, we are also taking the nitrogen and we exhale it after. But plants need nitrogen for their survival. Plants also need the nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Bacteria that live in the soil and roots of some plants take nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. So, this is the picture of the plant taking the nitrogen. It will not take directly from the air because of the bacteria. It live in the soil and also the some roots having it and it take the nitrogen. So that's why the plants also need the nitrogen to survival. Then oxygen. Oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. Humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Green plants produce oxygen during the photosynthesis. In this way, oxygen content in the air remains constant. If we cut trees, then this balance gets disturbed. So, oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. Humans and animals, they take the oxygen from the air as they breathe, is it? And green plants produce the oxygen during the photosynthesis. What we are taking, that is the oxygen, it comes from the green plants. In this way, oxygen content in the air remains constant because of the green plants. If we cut the trees, the balance get disturbed. Then carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals release carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. Carbon dioxide is another important gas, and the green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. So the humans and also the animals release the carbon dioxide. Okay. Then the balance is upset by burning the fuels such as coal and oil. They add billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere each year. The burning of the coal and oil. As a result, the increased volume of carbon dioxide is affecting the Earth's weather and also the climate. So this is about the carbon dioxide. It is the important gas, and green plants use the carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygens, and human or animals release carbon dioxide. Is it? The amount of carbon dioxide released by the humans or animals seems to be equal to amount used by the plants, which makes the perfect balance. So these are about the constituent of the air. So answer the following questions. What is atmosphere? Second one, which two gases make the bulk of atmosphere? Name the gases which found in the atmosphere. The most plentiful gas in the air is dash. So dear students, try to answer all these questions. Next, continue in the next class. Thank you.